new recipe. It's gonna be super, super easy. So we've got the Hearty beef stew, and you can do it in an InstaPot, or you can do it in a crock pot, or if you really want, you can do it on a stovetop. So I'm gonna show you how easy it is, super easy, really easy to get dinner on the table and set it and forget it. So we're just gonna take the shears, cut that off, and I'm just gonna take this lid off so you guys can see, just right there. And then we're just gonna follow the instructions on the back. So the instructions are on the back, so it's perfect. They're what's up for dinner. It's like, hey, you just grab it, and then the ingredients are in bowls. If you're making a grocery list, just look for the bold, and that'll show you what you need. So it's super easy to follow. So we're supposed to brown cubed stewing beef, but since we're doing this in a crock pot, honestly, I know it's going to cook. So I'm actually just going to leave that there. So you're supposed to brown this, but I'm not. I'm gonna throw it in there because I know it's gonna get cooked. But you can do it to sear it, keep more of the juice in the meat. I'm just gonna take a club size pack, bulk pack, okay? That's it. I'm just gonna do that. You can sear it, and then it keeps more of the moisture in 1 tablespoon of oil. Then we're gonna transfer into cooking vessel. So that's what this is. It's either a crock pot or an InstaPot. And then we're gonna stir in 4 cups of water, 3 tablespoons of tomato paste, and the seasoning, okay? So we're just gonna take a prep bowl. They're 1 cup prep bowls, you fill it to the top. We're gonna do 1, 2, 3, 4, that's it. 1, 2, 3, and 4. So there we go. That was that. All done with that. Then they said 3 tablespoons of tomato paste. So you're just gonna open that up. You're gonna take our 4-in-1 or whatever, and then the big part is the tablespoon. So we're gonna do that. We got 1, we got 2. It's about half a can of the small little cans. So there you go for that, right? And then we're gonna stir that around, and then that'll get some of the tomato paste off of that spoon. Okay, so scrape that in, make sure it gets down to the bottom and in that water. So that's gonna help with flavor. And then we're gonna put that seasoning. So sprinkle, 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 make sure it gets all in there. Lots of garlic and onion. What else do we have in here? We have the nutritional yeast. So inactive, it has, oh my goodness. So much spice. If I could do a blooper, I would, but I'm not. You guys get it real life. And so the yeast actually has vitamin B12, B6. There's a whole bunch of cool stuff that comes in nutritional yeast. It, to me, gives a tiny bit of a salty flavor without the salt. And then we do have a little bit of salt in here. We have celery, rosemary, thyme. We have a couple of other things, and even leek. So we have tons of good stuff in there. It's like a green-yellow mix. And we're just gonna, you know what I need? The instructions. Ever do that? Okay, so we got that. We're gonna do that, and it's a very big soupy right now, but we're gonna get all that. Oh my goodness, the amount of dry spices. You know it's good and not cut down when there's not like flour and junk in there. So we're gonna fold in 2 pounds of baby carrots and 1.5 pounds of mini potatoes. So literally it's like the bags. So don't you love this? It's super easy. I'm gonna try to rip this open, but I just need all of it. And I don't know what their new packaging is doing, but mighty ho. We're just gonna put all these in. That's it. This makes 6 servings, 2 cups per serving. And I'm just gonna put these in, okay? So I'm just gonna wash these because I'm just not, I don't know, I think they're supposed to be ready to go. They're pre-washed. Okay, so I'm gonna trust, but I like these ones because you have all the different colors. So I like that because if you have all those different colors, super awesome. And then you're gonna fold that in. So you're gonna actually want to get, I don't know if that's right or not. I don't know if those look good enough for my standards. So we're gonna put that in there, okay? And we're gonna move it all around to get the meat and the potatoes and the carrots and the tomato paste and the spices all kind of mixed up. I do choose to put the meat as much into the liquid as possible to keep it moist, but yeah. So I'm just gonna, that's it. Then you're gonna set it and forget it. So with this, you can always add cornstarch to make it really super thick. We're gonna cover and cook for 8 hours on low, or you can do 4 to 6 hours on high. With an InstaPot, it says secure lid, place steam release valve in sealing position and program to high pressure, 35 minutes, release pressure naturally, 15 minutes, move valve to venting position, release pressure, and then open before. So you guys can have this either in an hour and just set it and forget it, or all day, just put it in before lunch. So I'm just gonna give you a little look-see of what it looks like. So come on and I'll give you a little look-see. So that's the look-see before. And then I'm gonna just set it and forget it. I'm gonna put that lid on. I'm gonna put this in, there we go. And then we're gonna select high because I want it high. And I'm gonna pick probably 4.5 to 5 hours. So we're gonna try 5 hours, set it and forget it. And there you go. You actually have a hearty beef stew with just tomato paste. Grab the tomato paste, the beef, a bag of the bulk baby carrots, and a bag of mini potatoes. You're set. Isn't that easy? Super easy and awesome. The beef stew. Ready for you when you are hungry, but set it and forget it. Super easy, not even turning on an oven. You're good to go. Hope you like this recipe. Follow me for more.